Local farmers continue to receive assistance from the government through a new solar-powered irrigation system designed to ensure sustainable and efficient water access for farmlands. Maine Odong from Philippine Information Agency Calabarzon tells us more.
Edgardo Valdoria, a farmer from Barangay Castañas in Sariaya, Quezon, is among those who will directly benefit from the newly launched solar-powered irrigation system by the National Irrigation Administration in their barangay. This is aligned with the President's initiatives and directives to focus on development projects.
Ngayon po naman, nagkaroon na po ng solar. Malaking bagay na po, talagang malaking tulong po ito para sa amin. Unang-una, yung pambayad namin sa diesel na ipinangano sa mawawala na, mapupunta na po yun sa pamilya na po yun.
The project is expected to help farmers in Sariaya save around 80,000 pesos in operating cost per cropping season and will provide financial relief to farmers as it offers reliable and renewable water source, crucial for areas with limited supply. NIA officials say that this is part of a nationwide push for climate resilient and eco-friendly agricultural systems, especially in remote areas to improve productivity where traditional irrigation access is limited.
Ramdam natin ang epekto ng tagtuyot sa pagpapayabong ng ating mga pananim. Pero nakita nyo naman, dati-rati, kung kailan tayo dapat magtanim kasi maaraw, hindi na tayo nakakapagtanim. Pero ngayon, kakampi na natin ang araw kasi yun na po ang fuel ng ating solar pump. Kaya ang productivity natin lumalaki.
Water remains a key resource for agriculture, which is why, through the solar-centered communal irrigation system, NIA expects a more bountiful harvest and an increased income for local farmers. From PIA Calabarzon, Maine Odong, Balita, Pambansa.